So I'm here with Jonathan Farrell, one of our developers who works on our membership organizations platform. What's new with membership organizations?
Yes, just wanted to give everyone a quick update, talk about what we did in the past few months. It's June now, so nice time of year to reflect and look at the future. We've been focusing on a lot of incremental updates to kind of make things better. One of the big things that we've done in the past couple months is really separating that join and renew function. The biggest thing is this pop-up now. So if you have a membership for an organization and you try and join, it's going to pop up and say, hey, are you sure you want to join again? Maybe you want to renew this one, or you have an active one. Lots of little things like that where we're really trying to direct the members to the right spot. Things in the self-serve portal to help them renew easier. Things like that so that they're renewing when they should be renewing and joining when they should be joining. We put in some new settings on membership levels for minimum and maximum renewal thresholds. Again, trying to help that renewal process, but kind of saying, if I have an annual membership, I don't want anyone to renew until it's 2 months before it expires. And, after 6 months, they should be joining again. They shouldn't be renewing that old one. We did a lot of updates with notifications, kind of getting the last few stragglers in there. So notifications are pretty complete now. Some incremental API updates just to help the flow of information, and more of that's going to be coming. The APIs are one-to-one now with what they were with the old club stuff, and we're going to be adding more functionality onto them going forward that are member org specific. In the pipeline right now, a couple of big updates that are going to be exciting. One of them is private membership levels, which is going to be really neat. Just letting people set membership levels that they aren't available to the public. Some of them, we have settings to make them password protected or only available to existing members. So in that case, you can have someone buy almost like an entry fee or an initiation fee membership, and then going forward you get a different membership level once you're a member. A simple example would be if you are a running club and you want to let elite members join your club at a discounted cost, but you don't want that available to the public, you can password protect that, and it won't show up when people go to join your membership organization. It won't show up on the tiles as an option for people to join. You would have to send that link to someone to join the elite membership level, and they get a discount and all that, and they can you can password protect it if you want. Another example that we're looking at is a lot of pool organizations like swim clubs. You'll have to do something like buy a bond the first year to join the pool community. And that's going to be like kind of an upfront cost that's more expensive. You're going to spend a few $100s on that bond. But then going forward, your membership is going to be a more normal membership fee every year just to keep it renewed. So the idea with that is your public level would be the bond, and then you set a private level for the ongoing membership that's going to be only available to existing members. Lots of good ways to customize that, and we tried to set it up in a way that it can be used in different cases, and that's one of the ones that I'm excited to see how people use it, because people get creative, right, with the features we give them. So I think that's going to be a fun one to see how it's used in real life. Additional access for organizational type memberships. So if you're an organization and you are part of a membership organization like a Chamber of Commerce, and you have organizations as members, now those organizations will be able to add additional access for them, so other people from the organization can get the benefits. And the last thing that's being reviewed now that should be out soon is auto renewal management via the self-serve portal, so that members will be able to go into the self-serve portal and opt into auto renewal, opt out of auto renewal, change their credit card, and all that kind of stuff. Then coming soon. So what we're working on, looking at in the next few months. I don't want to say 6 months, because by September we'll be doing another one of these, I think, because a lot of this will be done, and we'll be looking how we want to close out the year. But what we're getting on now, that's going to be our priorities. A lot of report updates. Actually, we have someone right now starting working on saved reports, dashboard analytics, and new reports. So all of that stuff is being worked on right now by Julius, and he's cranking away on that. So that'll be out soon. in the next few months. Ticket integration is the big one. That's kind of the big next thing we're doing is setting up that integration between tickets and memberships so that you can offer discounts and early entry and all kinds of fun stuff that we have planned for that. That's going to be a really big one. Refunds are going to be coming soon. The refunds will be director and member level with a setting for the organization director to allow members to request refunds or not. Custom membership cards are going to be coming soon. Self-serve check-ins, which is going to be a big one, so you don't have to use a check-in app. Essentially, members can say, I'm coming, and check in before they go to a workout or event or something. And upgrading membership levels. So if you have a lower silver level and you want to upgrade before you're renewed, we'll be able to do that as well. So those are some of the priorities coming in the next few months.